Following the trials conducted, the observed outcomes of XPM have shown a substantial impact on animal health. Notably, an improved body condition score was achieved due to good feed intake. Additionally, there were notable improvements in milk production, both in terms of volume and milk quality. These improvements were accompanied by a reduction in cases of lameness and mastitis. I am Dr. Mustanasir Ali, serving as the General Manager at Happy Cattle Farms. Our farm accommodates a herd of approximately 2,000 exotic cows, encompassing Holstein Friesian and Jersey breeds, as well as Brahman beef breeds. Improved milk production and superior composition is an aspiration shared by every dairy farm all the times. In this regard, the team Dairylac introduced us to their value-added product XPM. This product, classified as a pro and postbiotic, prompted us to conduct trials at our farm. Over the course of 1 month, we conducted trials involving 280 animals along with the control group. Throughout the trial period, Dairylac supervised both the trial and the corresponding feeding regimens. The trial yielded remarkable results, with a net-worthy increase of approximately 1.1 liters of milk per day per animal. These outcomes also positively influenced total solids and milk fat percentage. Group A experienced a milk increase from 25.11 liters to 26.1 liters per animal per day, while Group B exhibited an increase from 27.1 liters to 28.2 liters per animal per day. Milk fat content increased from 3.48 to 3.74, while SNF solid not fat improved from 8.48 to 8.56. Likewise, LR lactometer reading showed an improvement from 28 to 28.25. Remarkably, there was the ongoing upward trend in milk volume for both groups, regardless of increasing THI, as demonstrated by the graphs. Drawing from my own experiences, I strongly recommend fellow corporate and commercial farmers to incorporate XPM into their feeding practices. The benefits are higher feed intake, improved animal health, increased milk volume and improved milk quality, all coupled with a decrease in instances of heat stress, lameness and mastitis at the farm.